How do you protect a DIY small-scale greenhouse from strong winds? Creating a small-scale greenhouse can be an exciting project, especially for those who enjoy gardening. However, strong winds can pose a significant threat to the stability and integrity of your greenhouse. Understanding how to safeguard your structure is essential for ensuring your plants thrive. One effective method to protect your greenhouse is to choose the right location. Position your greenhouse in an area that is naturally sheltered from strong winds, such as near a building, fence, or row of trees. These natural barriers can help deflect wind and reduce its impact on your greenhouse. Another important consideration is the construction materials. Opt for sturdy materials that can withstand harsh weather conditions. For example, using polycarbonate panels instead of traditional glass can provide better insulation and resistance to wind. Additionally, ensure that the frame of your greenhouse is made from durable materials such as galvanized steel or treated wood, which can offer greater stability. Anchoring your greenhouse is crucial for wind protection. Use concrete blocks, stakes, or anchors to secure the base of the greenhouse to the ground. This will help prevent it from being lifted or moved by strong gusts. If your greenhouse has a foundation, make sure it is properly reinforced to withstand wind pressure. Adding windbreaks can also enhance protection. Installing windbreaks, such as lattice panels or burlap screens, around your greenhouse can help reduce wind speed and create a calmer environment for your plants. These barriers can be particularly effective if they are placed at an angle to deflect the wind away from the structure. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring your greenhouse remains resilient against wind. Check for any loose panels or structural weaknesses and address them promptly. Reinforce any areas that may be vulnerable to wind damage, and consider adding additional support beams if necessary. Finally, consider the design of your greenhouse. A low-profile design can be more aerodynamic and less susceptible to wind damage compared to taller structures. If you are in an area prone to extreme weather, it may be beneficial to design your greenhouse with a sloped roof to help shed wind more effectively. By implementing these strategies, you can create a robust and secure environment for your plants, allowing them to flourish even in challenging weather conditions.